Hey folks, what's going on? Welcome back. Mike here, and we're here with more Chainsaw Man. This is for season 1, episode 2. This one's called, what is this? Arrival in Tokyo. I guess that lines up based off how the previous episode ended. We finally got Denji to go full Chainsaw Man, and he was intercepted by these group of individuals. I don't know if they're exactly government agents or whatnot. I forgot the name of what they call themselves, but they essentially just sound like devil hunters, maybe like a branch of the government that focus on hunting devils. And I think they, particularly the girl, I don't know her name yet. She seemed very keen on the idea of having a I guess like a hybrid, right? Human, half devil, kind of working for them. So I'm very curious to see what the stipulations to that will be, because they usually are supposed to kill devils. So I wonder if this is going to be a, like I said in the previous reaction, a more you work for us or you're dead type of situation for Denji. So he kind of I feel like he's finding himself in a whole new, even though it's a very new situation, it feels a little similar to his previous situation when he was hunting devils to pay off his father's debt. And I'm very curious to see if we're going to start learning even more about Denji, what makes him tick, more about his past and whatnot. Very tragic past, unfortunately for him. So yeah, I'm very excited. The show's absolutely absurd, which I'm totally about. So I'm very excited to see them continue that here. So yeah, let's give it a watch. Oh wow. Oh yeah, her eye that hurt. I was gonna say her eyes looked freaky. Oh, he wants some breakfast.
デンジ君はこれから私に飼われることになります。返事ははいかワンだけ。いいえなんて理由はいらない。
I don't need a dog that says no.
飼えないうちの犬は安楽死させられる。
Pretty much what I was saying. She's just saying it in a way more insulting way.
私たちも朝まだだったね。パーキングエリアで適当に食べよ。
すいません。俺金ないんすけど。
Pretty sure it's on her, bub.
好きなの言いなよ。私お金出すから。あと半裸じゃ目立つからこれ着な。
She's so nice, but also I feel like there's definitely a catch with her, right?
初めて優しくされた。それもいい面の女に。
Oh boy.
好き。
Dude, really? Already. He's interesting because he's very juvenile. He's very juvenile. He's very immature. But he also had to fend for himself. He pretty much raised himself, basically, it seems like. I mean, this show's just getting started. We're only on episode 2. Like, I feel like this show's just gonna go off the rails, isn't it?
フランクフルト。いいっす
Ooh, udon.
いいよ。
Udon noodles.
私はカレーうどんください。
か。もういいっす。
Oh, very weak. Oh boy.
デンジ君、大丈夫？どうやってそんな体になったの？
飼ってた悪魔が俺の心臓になったんす。
Dude.
信じられないっしょ。
Denji was
俺
in
も信じたくないっ
pieces.
すよ。
Oh,
俺のためにポチタが死ん
Pochita's
じ
so
まったの。
cute. Watch Pochita be like evil.
君の状態は歴史的に見ても前例がとても少ないよ。
I was actually
名
wondering
前
about
もま
that
だついてないくらいにね。
after the first episode, if there
その
is
話、
others like him or not.
人と悪魔、二つの匂いがするもん。
そっか。すげえ。そりゃすげえ。
Oh, and he's going down again. I was gonna say that just even turning into what he turns into,
うどん。
his blood loss alone. Ooh, that looks good.
大丈夫？一人で食べれる？
Please don't tell me she's gonna feed him.
食べれません。
Oh, you son of a bitch.
ああ、
Oh my god, he's such a child.
美味しい？
あなたのお名前は
Oh yeah,
マキマ。
Makima.
マキマさん。好きな男のタイプとかあります？
Makima. I gotta remember that. I'm bad with names. Dude, he's so intense right now.
デンジ君みたいな人。
His
Denji-kun.
face.
俺じゃん。
That's me!
俺も
Dude, you're focused on the wrong things right now. There's more pressing matters at hand.
ここがデビルハンター東京本部だよ。
You heard what she said, right? Yes or
東京に
wolf?
は民間も含
She
め
will
て
not accept
デビル
no.
ハンターが1000人以上もいるけど、公安は
Thousand
有給
devil
多い
hunters.
し、
Public safety,
福
that's
利
it.
厚生が一番いいんだよ。
仕事していくうちにそういう関係になってくんじゃねえか。そういう関係になったらそういう行為もできるんじゃ。
Oh, Denji.
してそういう行為して。
Relax. Simmer down.
デンジ君、
はい。
I love her
う
demeanor.
ちは基本制
I
服
just,
だから
I
できたね。
appreciate how
着替えた
calm
ら
she
君の同
is.
僚に合わせるから。
Very formal. Professional. Oh, hi.
彼の名前は早川亜希。
I like that music.
デンジ君より3年先輩。今日は早川君についていきな。
俺マキマさんと一緒に仕事すんじゃないん
Why
す
would
か。
you know? She's your
そんなわ
superior.
けないだろ。お前とマキマさんと
おう
格が違う。
That's a cool
今で
dating.
行くぞ。
Oh my god.
立てよ。やだ。俺はマキマさんと仕事するんだ。
I want to work with Miss
君の
Makima.
働きぶりが良ければ一緒に仕事できるよ。
Oh man. This piece of music's interesting.
頑張ってね。
Very nice.
ちょっと来い。
This guy's all business. Oh shit. Interesting. Oh. Oh. Little tough love here, huh?
お前仕事辞めろ。
Oh, okay.
明日も来たらまたボコるからな。
My god.
軽い気持ちで仕事するやつは死ぬぜ。俺の同僚も給料だけ見てデビルハンターになったやつは
He's making a good point,
全員よく
isn't he?
殺されたよ。生きてるやつはみんな根っこに信念があるやつだけだ。マキマさん目当てでデビル
Seems
ハ
like
ンターにな
Denji
った
should be taking this for
Ping
survival.
pong.
I mean, that's dang.
じゃあ殴って正解だったな。
Yeah, like Denji. This is oh, a survival situation. I mean, I feel like it's been already kind of made clear to him what this is. But he's not even looking at it that way. Did he just knee him in the balls? Oh, what a cheap shot.
優しい人なんだな。おい
Oh,
俺は
I felt that. Oh my god, again?
するだけ
Oh,
股間
oh,
狙わね
please stop. Oh, oh, that baseline though. That thing. Oh, that's sick. Oh, Denji,
え。
you
俺は
you
今
were.
日初めてうどん食ったぜ。お波の扱いされたし、
No.
初めて飯食わせてもらっ
Not
た
the。family jewels.
俺にとっちゃ夢みてえな生活だ。
Oh my
俺は
god.
軽い気持ちでデビルハンターなったけどよ。この生活続けるためだったら
Yeah, Denji wants the good life.
新規の命じゃなかった。
Oh my god, how many times did he kick him? Oh. This fight's dirty.
お前みたいなチンピラが好きになっていい人間じゃねえんだよ。
Oh, does he like her?
んだよ。てめえもマキマさんが好きなだけじゃねえか。
Oh my god, again! Oh my, why? Oh my god, like, is he gonna be okay? Like, you go to the hospital for this at some point, right? Like, that was like 6, 7 kicks to the testicles.
先輩が金玉の悪魔に弾を襲われました。
The devil!
嘘です。こいつの嘘です。
The devil! That was good.
デンジ君は早川君の舞台に入
She's
って
so
もらう。
amused.
舞台このチンピラがですか。うちはただでさえめんどくさいのが多いんですよ。
Dude, there's no way this guy should be standing right now.
舞台を
This
作
dude
った
should
時
be
に
in
言
a
った
hospital.
よね。他じゃ見ないような実験的な体制で動かしてみる。
Oh, okay, interesting. Jesus.
こいつ
So an experimental group here.
デンジ君は人間だけど悪魔になることができるんだ。
どうだすげえだろ。マジの話ですか。そういうの
He's such a
噂話しか
brat.
聞いたことありませんけど。
デンジ君は特別なの。
Dude, her eyes.
公安を辞職したり、
I wonder if there's something up with her though, because
デ
those
ンジ
aren't
君
normal
は悪
eyes.
魔として処分されます。
Oh, there it is.
それって
Just as I suspected.
死ぬまで一緒に働こうってこと。
Yep. So, do as you're told.
ってことになる
He's gonna be living with him
ど
too.
っかに逃げたら
Jesus.
殺していいって言われてるからな。マキマさんって悪い人なの？そう思うならマキマさんは諦め
See, that's what I was wondering. Like, she's very like professional and sweet and seems very kind, but I feel like there's a darkness
じ
to
ゃあい
her
い人なのか？
that we don't know about yet. I could be wrong.
俺の命の恩人だ。
But I think to do a job like this, you kind of have to have that edge, right?
バターと蜂蜜、あとシナモンも
Really
かけ
likes
ちゃおう
his jam, huh?
最
Oh my
強のパンが
god.
できちまっ
That
た
actually
ぜ
kind of looks good. I'm not gonna lie. I mean, he's a slob.
最強だぜワオワオワオワオワオ
Oh no.
ワオ
Did he fall asleep on the toilet? Be honest. Have you ever done it? Have you ever fallen asleep on the toilet? Oh no. Oh no. No, no, no. That's a big no-no. You always refill the toilet roll. So what are we finding in here?
魔人って何
Oh, a fiend.
お前、義務教育受けてないのか？
お
Ooh, he's got an
受けてね
axe.
えよ
Nah, man. I haven't been to school.
人の死体を乗っ取った悪魔。それが魔人だ。
When a devil takes control of a human corpse, oh, so they have to be
おう
dead.
それじゃ俺魔人じゃね
No.
違う。魔人は頭の形状が特徴的だ。
Characteristic heads.
見れ、
So is it only a corpse? Like, do they have to be dead for? Dude.
魔人の人格は悪魔だ。今回はお前が殺せ。使えるもんかどうか判断する。
He wants to see what you can do, Denji. Oh, that thing's freaky. Oh. Well, that's not what he said. I mean, you did it, but he said turn into a devil.
なんで悪魔の力使わなかった？
Didn't need to, I guess.
それでなんか楽に殺してやりたくて
Oh boy.
ハンターが悪魔に同情するな。
Oh, the
俺
tension.
の家族は全員目の前で悪魔
Oh
に
wow.
殺された。
Very personal for him.
お前以外全員本気なんだよ。俺は悪魔をできるだけ苦しむよう
Yeah,
に殺し
you
て
have
る
to respect his position
お
here.
前は悪魔と仲良しにでもなりたいのか？
友達になれる悪魔がいたらなり
I
て
like
え
I like Hayakawa.
俺友達いねえもん
I think this is a character I'll like.
プッツンさせちゃったよ本当はエロ本に血つけたくなかっただけ
You
な
were
のに
really
チェーンソ
Denji?
ーにな
My
るとチートで
god.
切って汚れてやってるぜポチタ契約通り夢みてえないい生活してるもんな
その
Ugh.
覚えとくぜ。
俺はもう
he's making
夢
note.
にゴールしちまってるからな
Again, juvenile's
あ
the
いつは
correct
まだ
word
追いか
here.
けてん風呂も毎日入れていいもん食えて面のいい女も近くにいてもう100
It's not
点の
very.
生
It's not as
活なの
simple though. Like him just being juvenile. Like there's layers to that. There's
なん
reasons
かあ
for
ったか
that.
部を守ること
I feel like Denji's gonna have some
マキマさんも
good
なんか
depth
あん
to
の
his
か
character.
マキマさんも
My god.
胸揉んでみて
What? Really, bub? What?
僕の昔に俺には無理だと諦めてたけど
It's a dream I gave
仕
up
事して
on
る
a
俺なら
long
もうい
time
るんじゃねえ
ago.
かいきなり女抱くのは俺には難しいでも
He's
胸なら強い意志と行動力
全員本気なんだよ。
そういうこと
I
だ
guess he has his priorities,
見
right?
つけたぜ俺の本気俺のゴールそれは胸だ
胸だ。
おい、話聞けバカ。
話
デンジ君には今日からバディを組んでもらう。
バディ
Ooh, a partner.
公安では小規模任務
That
での
is
パト
too
ロールは
much.
安全のため
What
二
is
人一組
this?
で行動することに
Ooh,
な
is
っ
this
て
the
る
girl
ん
in
だ
the intro?
気をつけてね。
Ooh, she's a
彼女は魔人
fiend.
だから。
おうおうひげ伏せ人間
Oh
わしの
boy.
名はパワーバディとやらはうぬか
Oh wait, is her name Power?
名前パワー
That is amazing.
魔人なの
What a
デビ
name.
ルハンターなんてやってもいいのか
Don't you start.
よろしくな。
Oh,
魔人
Jesus.
は悪魔ちゃんは理性が高いから早川くんの隊に入れてみたんだ。
Power.
前
That's
にも
such a
言ったけど
great name.
公安大麻得意音化は実験的な部隊なの。
Special Division
結果が出
4.
せなかったらすぐにでも上の方々が
It's
解
one
体
of
しちゃ
those
うかもしれない
situations. So, yeah, literally
そう
playing
な
for
ったら
survival
君
here.
たちがどうなるかはわかるよね。
She's gonna be a piece of work, though. I could
パワー
tell.
ちゃんは頭の角が目立つから人通りの少ない場所だけパトロールするこ
I
と。
mean, based off the other fiend we saw, I think she got off a little lucky. Oh.
人間早くなんか殺させろ
Oh my
わしは
god.
血に飢えてるぞ
どの理不尽なら辛いよけりゃ許
I
せ
can
る。
put up with crazy as long as she's hot,
問
though.
題は
Oh
どう
my
やって
god.
胸を揉むかだ。全然悪魔いねえじゃん。
わしのせいじゃのわしは魔人
Dude,
に
look
な
at
る
her
前は
eyes.
超恐れられ
They
て
look
た
like
悪魔じゃったから
crosshairs.
のわしの匂いで雑魚悪魔は逃げてくんじゃろ
はあ、じゃあ俺たち結果出せねえじゃん。
君たちを組ませたから
やろう。俺をはめやがったな。パワーと組ませて俺を活躍さ
She
せ
doesn't
ない
have
よ
to
う
be
にし
with
て
them now.
俺を
Just
や
live
め
with
させ
them.
る気なんだ。
I'm gonna make that the
血の
thumbnail.
匂いじゃ
Probably not.
おいおい、てめえ、どこ行け。
勝負じゃ勝負じゃ
The game's afoot. Oh, she's gonna be fun, isn't she? We're gonna like her. See Cucumber Devil. What? Oh, that thing is wild. But what did she just... Did she just use her blood and made into a freaking great axe?
わしの手柄じゃ
The kill is mine. Her powers are so cool. She literally just like spewed blood from her wrist and made it into like a great axe or a warhammer, whatever you want to call it. I said great axe. I meant hammer. Sorry, I like great axes. I was told the outros are usually different or to watch them, so that's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna watch these. No, but yeah, she Ooh, what a great way to end that episode to display that. So that means she can do other weapons then, right? So I wonder if that is specific to her to be able to do that, or is that like a fiend thing in general? But I feel like it's maybe specific to her. So I also wonder if we will learn more about the fiend that overtook her. Wonder how that all came to be. I wonder if we'll get any little backstory into how Power came to working with them. Oh man. So yeah, we formally got to know more. Hayakawa. So he, at least so far, I feel like right now, like he's kind of like going to be the moral compass for Denji here. Like I feel like he's going to be the one to kind of like try to reel him in a little bit. Because right now, Denji's reasonings are well, like again, like I get it, like he has such a horrible upbringing and has lived such a crappy life. You know, this is like he said, this is the best he's been treated in his entire life, and he's not gonna screw it up. He won't give it up. You know, obviously Hayakawa has different reasons, you know, more personal reasons. His family was killed. He's very much more noble. And Denji's just kind of here just to do as he's told and make sure he keeps living the good life, I guess. And then again, I want to learn more about Power. She seems awesome. Again, I could not believe what she just did there. It kind of reminded me a little bit of that new Mortal Kombat movie that came out in a couple of years ago. There's that part where Sub-Zero uses the blood and makes it into a knife and catches it and freezes it and uses it. Oh, that's what it reminded me of right there. So yeah, yeah, 2 episodes in, I'm liking what I'm seeing. I'm liking the characters so far. I can't wait to learn more about these devils. That sea cucumber devil was kind of wild. Like again, I wonder how these devils come to be. So I'm very interested to see when that information is presented to me. But yeah, super solid. Again, like I said, for a show that seems very just on the surface level, like I said, juvenile was a word. It's very absurd, over the top. There's definitely layers here. There's definitely a complexity to this story and to its characters. So on the surface level, it just seems like this, Chainsaw Man guy, turns into a Chainsaw Man monster and just obliterates people. And yeah, that's part of it. But I think there's a whole lot more here. So I'm very curious to see. Like I said, the show was very popular. There's a good reason for that. So yeah, that's all I got for you folks. Thank you so much for hanging out. As always, if you're new here, please consider subscribing to the channel. We also do have a Patreon. You can find the link to that in the description below and in the pinned comment. You'll find a lot of early access, full-length editions of these reactions where there's no edits, no cuts. You do have to have your own copy of whatever I'm watching to watch along, obviously for copyright reasons. And yeah, check out the Patreon if you want. But yeah, folks, seriously, show's really good so far. I'm definitely into it. I'm definitely gonna watch some more, obviously. So yeah, see you. What? We're on episode 2. See you for episode 3 in the next video. Have a great day. Bye.